Hi folks, it is time for science. This is your screencast for Tuesday, March 31st, Anatomy and Physiology. So today you're going to be working on understanding common injuries of the skeletal system and some of the disorders. I'll talk about reviewing the skeletal system notes in preparation for your quiz on Friday and how to complete the graphic organizer for disorders and injuries assignment. So we're going to go into Schoology here. Here's our home page. We'll go into our week of March 30th folder. When we go in there, we're obviously finding the attendance questions and a bunch of stuff, but what's relevant today is going to be this assignment right here and the skeletal system notes. So if you click on the skeletal system notes, it might give you an error as it doesn't want to connect to it through Schoology, but if you just click the link right here, it will take you to a new tab and open up the skeletal system notes that we took in class as a nice little review in case you want to remember what we were doing before we had to go on to online learning. So, in terms of the skeletal system disorders assignment, we're going to go into that assignment and we'll take a look at what that is going to entail. So, attached are a couple of links. These are linking to some Google documents. First, you're going to want to pull up the graphic organizer link. That'll lead you to a Google Doc. Please go ahead and download and make a copy of this, and you can fill it out. So you have a couple different stations with all the different types of disorders and injuries that you will be learning about. There are 11 in total. Next thing you're going to want to do is to pull out the stations. This is where a lot of the information has been condensed, and you'll be able to easily fill in the graphic organizer. So they correspond with the order that they are in your graphic organizer. So you have osteomyelitis, bone fractures and their healing, and so on and so forth. Another thing that you might find helpful as you do this assignment is taking a look at some of these videos. So these link directly to YouTube videos that you might find interesting, or if you want to know more about it, or you're having trouble finding something on the graphic organizers, these might be something that help give you a starting point. They are not necessary to watch, but just highly recommended. They're fun videos that kind of go through all of these injuries. And then also some of the most common sports injuries and how to prevent them. That's another fun video. So that'll be due at 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday. And then don't forget about the attendance question, which will be due at 4 p.m. I will be available during office hours and class time, and also via email or a Google Hangout request whenever you need to. If you need help, I am happy to give you assistance. Please be well and let me know if you have questions. Best of luck, and we'll see you soon. Bye!